Stanislav, I understand Trump just became the president, but do we know the industries that the Trump's administration is going to favor for the purpose of talent visas and national interest waiver? Of course, guys, we already have solid data to give you some analytics. So I'm going to give you 5 industries that are going to be prioritized during the Trump administration. Also, in this video, you will learn how to get a free evaluation for the talent visa or national interest waiver visa, EB-1A and EB-2 NIW. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends, I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, we're going to be focusing on the top 5 industries for the purpose of talent visa approval. So you want to ask me, Stanislav, how do you know? Okay, you're going to tell us the 5 industries, but how do you know that they are going to be favored? Well, this is pretty easy, guys. When a new president becomes a president, they start signing so-called executive orders. And those executive orders, some are lawful, some are illegal, but those that we're going to be discussing, they have roots into the law, so they will not be reversed. And usually the president shows which direction the administration is going to take. So we have a bunch of signed executive orders and top 5 professions and 1 bonus profession in the future to be looking at to get a better chance for the purpose of talent visas and national interest waiver. Industry number 1, and of course that is artificial intelligence. I guess this is no-brainer, guys. This is one of the most exciting and perspective industry. And you guys should see this interview with Japanese billionaire who wanted to invest $100 billion to Trump, and when he was discussing with him this issue, Trump told him, 100? Make it 200 billion. And the guy said, yes, okay. So they count by billions, guys. Millions are not anymore here, okay? Billions. Soon they're going to be counting in trillions, right? Because the money is debased and the money loses the value. So ultimately it's $500 billion investment in this industry. Yes, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to happen throughout the years, but those are huge numbers. And of course, even before that, we already had a shortage with AI specialists. Now, with a lot of investment going and to be following those other investments, the demand for the specialist in AI is going to be huge. If you are in AI, if you're a programmer, coder, quality assurance analyst, or you're a businessman who invests in this industry, the talent visas, O1, EB-1A, EB-2 NIW are going to be the best choices for you. Industry number 2, Fintech. And I'm excited to see Fintech people in this category of visas because anything that has to do with banking, creating the innovation, the technology, the research engines, the optimization programs, all is going to be great for O1, EB-1A and EB-2 NIW. So you don't have to be actually a programmer. You could be a banker, a person who creates the architecture of the projects and things like that. So anything FinTech related. And why this industry is going to be favored? Well, not only because executive order was signed according to this, not only because the executive order was signed in that respect, but because we do need faster services, better services, the services that are not prone to cyber attacks and things like that. So if you are in this sector, you have the green light from Stanislav. Number 3, and this is no-brainer, science and technology. And basically we can call it STEM. Everything more or less STEM related in this video, but science and technology is a direct knowledge for us, right? So if you're a scientist, if you're someone who is doing research, if you're working in a lab, if you're in the pharma industry, if you create technology, new approaches, if you're trying to do discoveries, then these visas are going to be for you. It's always been like this. All STEM specialists always been favored by USCIS and immigration officers. But when you have an executive order, you can always make a stronger argument in the petition. Number 4, oil and gas. Yes, this industry is coming back under the Trump administration because on top of the renewable energy, they want to promote drilling and extracting minerals from the ground. So everyone involved, the engineers, IT specialists, those who know how to optimize and modernize the processes, the businesses involved in this industry, all of you guys going to be in a huge demand. Why does Trump want to develop these industries? Well, because when you extract more from the ground in the US, you drop the prices for those things. So the gas is cheaper, the petroleum is cheaper. That means that delivering goods is cheaper, the production of things are cheaper, which is great for the economy. So this sector is gonna get a huge boost. A lot of money is gonna flow in it. So if you know anything about this, O1A, EB1A, and EB2NIW are for you. Number 5. Manufacturing of the goods in the US. This one is a little bit more difficult because it requires a lot of investment to start the production here. But if you are a businessman, investor, entrepreneur, or a person who deals with creating goods and you want to bring your expertise here in the US, you're going to be in a huge demand, you're going to be getting the style points and better chances of approval. Now guys, the 6th one, the bonus industry, I believe one of the most important. But before I tell you that, you want to know how to get the free evaluation of your case if you belong to one of those industries. Go down below, find the link that's gonna say free evaluation. Click on it and fill out the talent visa evaluation or national interest waiver evaluation or both. And it will take me 2 days to analyze those, and I'll give you the first initial analysis in writing. Look for the word potential. If I see potential in your case, that means that my team and myself can work on your petition for the next 6 months and get you up to the 90+ chance of approval of your petition. If you see the word potential, your next step is complex immigration planning, where I will build the written strategy of filing your case. And now, the bonus industry, but this is my favorite, and you guys know my favorite industry, that is Bitcoin, blockchain mining, and crypto-related things. My company was the first one in the industry back in 2022 to get first in history approval for the crypto case. That was a crypto analyst who got EB1A with us, and guys, trust me, that was a very hard task back then. We managed that, and since then we've been in this industry very strong and representing clients who do mining, who does coding, creating the tech services, innovation, understanding Bitcoin, and everything crypto related. So this industry is gonna grow tremendously. You guys already know that Bitcoin ETFs were approved, the FASB rules were approved. Just recently, bank custody was allowed. This is huge. So the layer 2, the layer 3 industry is going to develop on top of Bitcoin network and other cryptocurrencies. So if you guys understand something in it, if you have achievements and you're a professional in this field, crypto, Bitcoin, mining, blockchain are the buzzwords. And I would love to take your crypto, Bitcoin cases because I'm a big fan of this industry. Just came back from Bitcoin conference in Medellin, Colombia. Had just a blast talking to Bitcoiners, to the people from the industry. So you guys in the right hands. Don't forget, my dear friends, free evaluation, complex immigration planning, complete case filing. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. So get that free evaluation right out of the way. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a bunch of social media, all the links below this video. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.